at VBS, so I am very sad, but it was good.
Papa Deputy,
Today we came here to go kill bunnies, and now we're gonna take them home and eat them. And I don't know. They just catch them by their hand. Do you? What? I still want to grab one. That would be so fun.
I just walk it. I can't see them. Not that.
These are the bunnies we caught, and there's 4 of them. And how much fun did you have?
Fun.
Lots of fun? You dropped one. So I'm driving with a little Snuggles. Thumper is on my lap, and we lost 2. There's one on the floor down there, and Letu lost 2 of them. So we have to find them. This is so fun. Oh, wait, oh, they shed so much though, these aren't.
Oh, this is skin just red?
Yeah.
And here.
I went to the first one.
Yeah.
Oh my
Baby.
Oh.
You nasty.
Who cooked it? Wah. Wah cooked all the food. Oh wait. One.
Yeah.
And of course we're listening to VBS songs because we miss it already. Artists? Sweet.
Hi.
Say I love you.
I love you, Diana.
Bob, say I love you. What? Oh, we're eating. This is probably, you know, Thumper. Bidet bunny. I haven't tried it yet. I'm scared.
Let's go.
Okay, Thumper is learning how to drive today. Ah! No! Oh no! Oh no!
See.
Hey, I'm the bunny. Watch the bunny.
Rafi, where you go, Rafi?